Hi, Charlie with Torch Custom Displays. Today we're going to be building a very simple and generic display. It's a three-step. It's great for getting your products up off the table if you're at a farmer's market, trade show, anywhere where you need to display your product, but you need to get it up off the table. We know how important that counter space is. So let's go ahead and get started. We have a couple of different pieces here. We have our two side pieces. These are identical. These fittings right here, we call them compression fittings. This is the female end, and this is an example of the male end. We have our shelves and our shelf backers. We have our header, of course, which we can customize. And we have our cross supports. So these help bring the display together and keep it strong. This piece is the only one that has two of these notches in the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and start there. You'll line it up. You'll realize that this literally will not fit anywhere other than this one spot. So I'm going to go ahead and line up those compressions and just gently push in. Next, we're going to take our shelf, our top shelf, line that up. I'm going to take the shelf backer and just work our way down. I think it's really helpful to have a tabletop to do the assembly. Of course, you can assemble just about anywhere, but having a smooth surface so you can lay things down, highly encouraged. All right, we're all set. So all of our shelves are in. The back piece that goes up on the top, we got that one in. We're only left with this side piece, our header and our runners. So we'll go ahead and we are going to start with one of our final steps, which is applying the last side. So I'll spin this around so you can see. I like to start from a corner. You start from a corner and you start lining them up. Again, nothing needs to be forced. Everything can be very gently pushed in. So I'm going to start here. And I'm just going to start working down. So I got that top one in, now I got that one in. It's really just about lining things up and taking your time. Okay. All right, so now go ahead and flip it up. Make sure that they're all pushed in nice and tight. Okay, and the next step is applying those cross members. Now, if you are in a place where you would like to put one display next to another display and line them up so that they're flush with one another, if you buy, let's say, 3 or 4 of these, or maybe just 2, if you put these cross members in, they really help sturdy it up if you're going to be moving it around a lot at a show. These are great. If you would like to line them up and have them flush with one another, there's no need to put these in. As you can see, I mean, we have a display here. You just go ahead and you install the header and you'd be good to go. But some people are really pretty rough on them, so we like to include these. So I'll just go ahead and show you how these are installed. If you look at the bottom here, you'll just take this and take these 2 notches and line them up. And you'll see that it comes to about here, and then you just need to apply a little pressure, and they snap right in. So, okay, just move it back. Go ahead and get that one. Same thing. Cool. All right. And then we have one more right here. We're going to slide through. Cool. Now we have our header piece, so we're going to go ahead and line this up. And that drops right in. So this is the header that I think we talk about this in the listing of how it can be customized. It's pretty neat. Of course, we offer this in black. So this is the same display but offered in black. If you ever are interested in customization, if you want the shelves to be a different length, width, height, that sort of thing, you can contact us through torchdisplays.com. And we can set you up with a designer to get you exactly what you need. Thank you very much for listening. That's all we have for the day.